What is going on today, guys? It's your boy KNIXX Gaming back once again with another stream do-it-yourself video. Well, in this video we're going to be discussing how to add alert boxes, event lists, stream labels, stuff like that. Basically widgets in general onto your stream, no matter which platform, which OBS you are using. So without any further ado, guys, let's jump on into things here. But if you are in the market to buy a new PC, make sure to go check out Evolve Gaming and use our discount code KNIXX at checkout. If you want to discuss this topic, if you need help setting up your stream, if you want to talk about tips on streaming, tips in gaming in general, then feel free to hop on into my Twitch chat, and that is a KNIXX official. So guys, we hope we see you there, and let's basically learn how to set these up on our stream. Alright guys, once again, this is going to be just basically touching on some of the widgets that Streamlabs has available. Now, a little disclaimer, you're going to want to have a computer to do this. You're not going to be able to do this through a straight platform or a straight console to platform stream setup. You have to go through a PC in order to be able to do this, but there's lots of ways to do it for free or for very cheap. Google and YouTube have the answers to all of that. Another little disclaimer though, guys, as well, is on Streamlabs, we are using the Streamlabs, so if you are using Streamlabs as a OBS, then you'll have all of these actually built into your platform, so into your OBS, so it's not going to be the same. So just, if you use Streamlabs OBS, then just disregard this video, but all the other OBS platforms, OBS software, is all you have to do is add these as browser sources, and we'll show you exactly how to do that, or exactly where to find the browser source link to be able to put that into your stream. Without any further ado, let's touch on the hardest one first, and the hardest one to set up is going to be stream labels. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to download the Streamlabs application, and then you're going to need to download your documents from inside. That will be a text file, and then you'll have to set it up. Streamlabs has a whole video here on their website to show you exactly how to use them. So go ahead and use their platform because they show you, or use their video because they show you exactly what you need to press on each of the different softwares to be able to get to exactly where you need. But that basically, if you're wondering what a stream label is, a stream label is where it says like recent donate or recent follow, recent like, stuff like that. That's what a stream label is. Now all the other ones are very, very simple to set up. So what you're actually going to need to do to set these up is make sure you know how to use your browser source, which is very simple. You just copy and paste the link that Streamlabs will provide you for each of the different ones after you have them set up. So we'll start with what I'm going to say the most important one is here, and that is an alert box. It also takes the longest because you can actually go through and change for each of the different follows. So I have it signed in on my Twitch, so it's set up for Twitch. If you were on Facebook, likes and shares would probably be in there, and raids won't be, and hosts won't be, stuff like that. So it changes based on how you're signed in, but it's the same, exact same to set it up. So once again, you just go through and set up each of the ones exactly how you want it, and then up at the top here where it says click to show widget URL, we won't actually click to show that, but you can hit copy just right beside it there and go ahead and paste it into your browser source, and you'll have it. But make sure that you do not do that until it is all set up exactly how you want it. Now if you wanted these set up, so if you wanted your donations to come in at the bottom of your screen and your likes to come in at the top, there is a very easy way to do that, and that is general settings. I believe it was under, oh sorry, right at the top. They moved it right to the top here. So you can just click, so if you wanted your follows to show on at the top, you just make your own link and then move it on your OBS up to the top. And then you would make a separate one for whatever you wanted to show at the bottom or in a different location. But it's very important that you don't have multiple, so don't have follow click twice or you'll see the alert show up twice on your screen. And then you can also change all the different features in all of them. So let's just click on follow and show you quick. So this one is a picture and text beside it, the picture and then the text on top of it, and then the picture above the text on the other one. You can change the animations, what it says, the picture itself, sounds, change the volume of the sound. So if you download a new sound and it's really loud, you can turn it down a little bit. How long the alert actually lasts, your font settings and alert variations, and you can do that for all the different ones. Now let's touch on another one. We're not going to get through all of these in this video, guys. We're just going to show you some of the main ones. So of course we showed you the alert box, and then we showed you Streamlabs. So another one that a lot of people use is event list. Event list is similar to the Streamlabs, but it comes up in events, as you can see in the preview here. So when someone likes or someone hosts or whatever, it will show up in your event list. You can change all the theme settings again, and same thing as before, you just copy and paste the widget URL into the browser source on your OBS. Now we've touched on the alert box, the event list, and the Streamlabs. Another very popular one that a lot of people also use is viewer count. Again, this will show you, so I have it for my Twitch. It shows you how many people are currently viewing it right on the screen. So I just have that because I use it as a widget on my face cam, but that's another one that a lot of people use, and if they're multi-streaming, they can actually use their YouTube and Mixer viewers, and it'll all show up. So it will show up how many people are watching on each. Again, just like the other, you just copy and paste the widget URL into your browser source. And now one more that we're going to touch on, which I wanted to show you guys here, which a lot of people don't show on theirs, which is really amazing, is end credit. So I have set up, as you can see in the preview, all of that. So basically it goes off, and it's similar to an event list for everything that goes off from the moderators, subscribers, you had members, super chats, basically a whole lot, right? So show moderators, we can turn off show cheers, show donations, show subscribers, show followers, and you can change the name of each ones and change the role and stuff like that. I seen that the other day with actually a different theme, and it looked very nice, and it showed all the moderators that were in their chat, and it was a good way to like show thanks to the people that are helping them start up and continue on with their streaming. So guys, that is basically just a couple of the most popular widgets on Streamlabs and how to kind of set them up and the different features of the different ones, I guess. You guys just make sure that if you have any questions, feel free to reach out either in the comment section below or over on our Twitch page at KNIXX Official. We really do hope you guys are enjoying this series and enjoyed this video. But until next time, guys, we'll talk to you later. Peace.